In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Peacock subscription on Google Play. Step 1. Open Google Play Store or website. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store app or go to play.google.com on a computer. Step 2. Access your account subscriptions. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Step 3. Find Peacock subscription. In the list of subscriptions, locate Peacock and tap on it to open the subscription details. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation and access. You will retain access to Peacock Premium until the end of your current billing cycle, and no further charges will be applied. Now I have some tips and notes. Ensure you are signed in with the same Google account used to subscribe to Peacock. Canceling does not delete your Peacock account, it only stops billing. If you don't see Peacock in your subscriptions, verify your billing source or contact Google support. And that's how you cancel your Peacock subscription via Google Play. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.